Hello all. Let me introduce my team AI Vengers from Xebia, Bharathiraja, Senthil, Aravind, Faiz, Chiranjeevi. VxN Connector digital platform is designed to bring together volunteers and non-governmental organizations in a seamless, user-friendly manner. With a focus on social impact and community building, this app serves as a centralized hub for connecting individuals looking to volunteer their time and skills with NGOs in need of support. VxN Connector has so many features. Due to 5 minutes constraints, we are going to give demo for core features with a happy flow. Welcome to the demo of VxN, the Volunteer and NGO Connector app, a user-friendly platform that allows NGOs to organize events with features like AI-assisted recommendations for location selection, volunteer availability, event planning, and nearby emergency services. For volunteers, it helps connect them with NGOs to contribute their time and skills. The onboarding process is simple. On the welcome screen, users can select whether they are an NGO or a volunteer. Once the role is chosen, the user can start the process by clicking the Join button. NGOs are required to complete all mandatory fields, including NGO details, location, and password creation, along with passing email and password validation checks. Once the form is submitted, the NGO account is successfully created. For volunteers, the process is similar but tailored to gather personal details, including their name, email, phone number, skills, interests, location, and availability. Upon submitting the form, the volunteer account will also be created successfully. Once an NGO logs in, they will be taken to the NGO dashboard, where they can view their own events, My Events, upcoming events from other VxN-registered NGOs, and AI-suggested events near their location. There's also a quick link for creating new events. When creating an event, NGOs are prompted to provide event details, including name, description, date, location, volunteer requirements, and event type. If the event type doesn't fit predefined categories, they can select Other and input their own details. After submitting the event, they move to the Preference Selection screen, where AI generates recommendations for nearby venues, volunteer sources like colleges, event planners, hospitals, and emergency centers based on the event's location. The NGO can select multiple preferences but only one location and save their choices. The event is then displayed under My Events, where NGOs can view, edit, or delete events. When volunteers enroll, their request will appear with the volunteer count, and NGOs can approve their participation. For volunteers, logging in takes them to the volunteer dashboard, where they can view their tasks, upcoming events, and AI-recommended events nearby. Volunteers can quickly join events by clicking the Join button, which adds the event to their My Tasks tab. Both NGOs and volunteers have access to settings where they can toggle between dark and light mode, change passwords, access support, and manage display preferences. Navigation links for Home, Profile, and Chatbot are available in the footer. The platform also features a role-based chatbot. For volunteers, it provides event recommendations, updates from relevant NGOs, and reminders for upcoming events. For NGOs, it offers real-time updates on volunteer availability, tracks interest in events, and provides support for event management and logistics. For VxN events, volunteers can track their approval status. Additionally, all user data from both volunteers and NGOs, as well as events created by NGOs, are verified by the platform's admin. This verification process is visible for each volunteer and NGO. VxN Connector is available as both a web and mobile application, connecting users globally. Thank you.